I decided to do a quick video on this. That was going to be another Heraldo Rivera reveal. Capones Vault again. Took the 2 boards off there and got a pretty nice reveal for the potato harvest. So hopefully this proves to be fruitful. We'll run some footage here, see what we got. Get all that good potato footage. Holy crap. That is a nice sized potato. I am pretty surprised this year. I guess what did we do? The straw? The straw was a trick. Used that old guy's recommendation, layered it with straw, and it seemed to do the trick. Got quite a few of these little small ones, but can't beat a potato the size of that, and that thing's homegrown, so I'm pretty pleased. Oh, looks like another one here.
That's a nice size too.
That one's about fair. Well, there's another one. Another small.
That's okay, that'll be good for like a roast or something.
Yeah. Well, I think I spent, what, $6 on potatoes. Is that a small one? Oh, that's a rock. Oh, felt another hard. There's another one. Nice little roast potato.
I used the small ones for that dinner. Nice.
Oh, that one's a baby potato. That one ain't bad size. So what does a 10-pound bag of potatoes go for? Is that like $3.50?
Oh, that is a 5 pound.
5 pound? We gotta get 10 pounds of potatoes to make our money back on our seed investment.
So is that a 3 pound or 5 pound potatoes that you get?
Bunch of small ones. I wonder if we could replant the.
I don't know.
I'll put that in there. Oh, there's another good size one. Well, maybe we should weigh them. If we get 10 pounds of potatoes, we got our money's back.
Yeah.
I guess we got some nice mulch with the straw in there. Oh, I see another big one up here. Golly, that one ain't bad. Well, at least I don't feel like Heraldo Rivera. Wow, check this back.
Wow.
So we may do a second planting, I think.
Yeah, you can start planting another.
Have some fall potatoes, I guess.
Fall potato.
Oh, felt some oh my goodness.
Did you get a big one? Oh wow.
I'm thinking we're getting our money's back. And we may have probably more potatoes than what we know what to do with. Nice little roast one again.
Share.
Family and friends. Oh, yeah, we're doing those again. Another nice one. Oh.
You did good this year.
So I guess a note for anybody that wants to do potatoes first time, do the straw.
Yes, the cheese straw.
But that soil, pretty good soil.
Another one? Wow. How many potatoes did you get last year, honey?
That was one rotten one. A little tiny one.
But you used store-bought
Yeah.
potatoes, right?
Grocery store.
Yes,
These were
grocery.
actually what we bought at Atwood's.
Yeah.
Oh, got my slippers dirty. Wonder if we need to go deeper. Oh.
You planted them all the way down, didn't you? Deeper.
I think I went 2 boards up, 3 boards up.
So there's probably potatoes down there. Oh.
Well, it's still connected to the root. Little mini one.
Another one. Yeah, we could make potato au gratin. Pretty good.
Another nice little roaster one. Oh no, I think that might be it. Do another.
Are you gonna move another board?
I guess we gotta do some research on how to store them. Wonder if we could put those in the storm shelter.
There's a little potato right there
Where?
in the
Right here?
thing. Is that a potato or a rock?
That's a rock. don't think there's any more.
If we planted them lower, then there might be some down below.
Not feeling any resistance anywhere, so I think that might be it. Oh, thought I seen something there. That's a potato, little mini one. Chunk of wood. I'm not seeing any more. I think that might be it.
I think it's hit pretty low. I still think we should take one more board down. If we planted them too high. Because that grow down.
Almost 10 pounds. I think we may have recouped our initial potato investment. Trying to think, I got 2 bags. I think there was maybe 4 or 5 seedlings per bag. We at least quadrupled. Well, probably doubled. I'll continue to dig a little further. If I find something, I'll pop the camera back on. But anyways, good harvest this year for potatoes. Can't wait for the sweet potatoes to see how well they do. But anyways, thanks for watching.